So this is our tile area, and this is the encaustic cement tiles. And these are wonderful because they come in a variety of different patterns and colours.
So admittedly, I wouldn't often go for a pattern tile, but I do think that there could be something quite beautiful about clashing the patterns or mixing them up, or having sort of the dark and the light base ones swapping around in a space.
Yes, definitely. We've got the traditional styles as well as the more contemporary styles as well. These ones are actually using the same technique that the French started 100 years ago. So over time they won't fade because the colour is impregnated into the tile and it will last a lifetime.
That traditional technique where they are going to weather well and they're not going to have those little footprint marks throughout the house as the kind of colour wears away.
Yeah, exactly.